everybody, I'm Heather, and today's video is all about oranges. My mom used to give us a whole orange with one of those soft peppermint sticks. She would stick it down in the middle, she'd make a hole in the top, and we would walk around squeezing the juice out but eating the peppermint at the same time. And it was so good, so you should try that. Today I'm going to use orange two ways. One, I'm going to show you a recipe, what I call jam up cups, and I'm going to show you how to use oranges for decoration around your house for the holidays. So let's get rolling. We're going to start these jam up cups by adding 1 stick of salted butter, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of white sugar, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Add in about 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of quick cooking oats, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You can mix these by hand, or you can just get your hand mixer out, and that makes it go a lot quicker. You'll know these are ready when you can reach in and grab a handful and it sticks together just like this. Now I'm just going to take a 1/4 cup measuring cup and I'm going to put the same amount in each one of my muffin tins. You'll see at the end that you'll have just a little bit of the mixture left, and that's perfect because we're going to use it in the last step of the recipe. Now take the back of your measuring cup and press down into each muffin tin and kind of give it a twist and a push, and that's going to make your mixture hold together and create that cup. Now we're going to put 1 tablespoon of orange marmalade into each cup. In 6 of them I used just orange marmalade, but in the other side you'll see that I used about 1/2 tablespoon of the orange marmalade and 1/2 tablespoon of some leftover cranberry sauce that I had made. If you want to use a different flavor jam, feel free, any kind will do. Now you're going to take the remainder of the mixture and sprinkle it evenly over each muffin cup. These are going to go into the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they're done when they're bubbly and they're a little bit brown around the edges. You'll want to let these cool in the pan for about 20 to 25 minutes when you get them out of the oven. Then you're just going to take a butter knife, go around the edges, and they should pop right out. Dried orange slices are some of my favorite holiday decorations. You can use them to make ornaments for the tree, string them together for a garland, or you can use them to top your gifts with. You're going to start by slicing your oranges into pieces that are about 1/4 inch thick. You really cannot mess this up. The key to slicing them thin though is just that they dry out a lot quicker. So if you cut yours a little bit thicker, then they just may take a little longer to get dried. Next, line your baking sheet with a piece of parchment paper. Put on all your orange slices. Make sure they're not touching one another. You're going to dry these in the oven at 200 degrees. This can take anywhere from 4 hours to 6 hours. You'll know they're ready when you can pick them up and they're firm and they're not sticky to the touch. Don't throw away the ends of those oranges. Put them in a little pot of boiling water, add in some fresh cinnamon sticks, and put it on to boil, and it makes your house smell amazing. I used this same pot for 2 days. I want to show you a couple of ways that I use these orange slices. So you'll see that I made several different ornaments, and you really can't mess these up. I just used some twine and some cinnamon sticks and some ribbon and made the cutest little ornaments. You can see that I'm just poking small holes in the orange with a pair of scissors, and I'm going to string my twine through that. This is the fun part. You can do just a basic orange slice ornament, or you can add all the details. These are so simple to make and so beautiful. I made a few different ones just to kind of give you some inspiration to get started.
So good, Mom.
The last thing I made was this simple orange garland. I just used hot glue to stick it onto a piece of twine and string several of the orange slices together. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.